Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and what if your WhatsApp isn't working correctly? Like messages not sending, the app freezing, or calls dropping? I can help you. You need to follow these steps to resolve the issue. So, the first one is the close WhatsApp and go to this application again. Here we go. But what if your WhatsApp still doesn't work? How to solve the issue? You need to check the app's permissions. So you go to the settings, apps, search for WhatsApp, and app permissions. So here you go. I already allowed the call logs, the camera, the microphone, and music and audio. So I can call somebody or I can listen somebody's voice messages and something like this. You can do this by clicking on some permission and just click allow. Here you go. But if your WhatsApp still doesn't work correctly, you need to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. This is a great option because with the most of applications it always works. So we're going to play market, WhatsApp, and uninstall. We've uninstalled WhatsApp and we need to install it again. Click like this, wait a little bit, and here you go. Open WhatsApp. You log in, blah blah blah, something like this, and WhatsApp still doesn't work. What can you do? So there is a internet page named the Down Detector, which you can find by typing it on Google. It goes like this: Down Detector .com. Here we go. And when you're on the page, just scroll down and find the WhatsApp. And okay, there is no WhatsApp, but I could miss it. Messenger. Okay, let's go search. If we don't have this on page, let's search WhatsApp. Okay, here we go. And click on this button, and there we go. There's a diagram of the last drop downs of WhatsApp, like of the last 24 hours. And you can see there was a drop down, there was a drop down, there was a drop down. And you can check if your application doesn't work because of the service drop down. Okay, but if your WhatsApp still doesn't work, the last option you can do is to restart your device or switch networks. It could be the issue with your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and here you go. Just turn off, turn on, and if it solved your problem, that's okay. If it didn't, just choose another Wi-Fi, and if Wi-Fi it's not the issue, just restart your phone. This was Hard Reset. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.